Assalamu alaikum grade 4. Welcome back everyone. How are you? Students, I am so happy some students are doing their homework very carefully and they are sending me on regular basis. But some students don't bother. They don't do their homework and they don't do anything. Please be attentive. This is very important. Class, today we are going to do some book work on page number 6, exercise 2. In this exercise, you will describe these pictures in present continuous tense. Do you remember how do we make sentences in present continuous tense? Yes, by using ing form of verb. You will use these phrases in the classroom, outside the school, in the playground, in the street, in the park. I will make the first sentence for you and then you will make the other sentences with the help of these pictures. Look at picture number 1. There is a teacher. There are some students and you will make sentence like this. There is a teacher painting a picture in the classroom. There is a teacher painting a picture in the classroom. You will use there is and there are. Can you make a sentence with the help of this picture? Yes, please try. Yes. There are some boys doing exercise outside the school. There are some boys doing exercise outside the school. Now, you will make the sentence with the help of picture number 3 and then picture number 4 and then picture number 5. You will write these sentences very neatly in your notebook. You will mention the page number and the exercise number, and students, please write down your name, section and lecture number on the top of the page when you send your homework to your teachers. Keep into your mind, please. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.